In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable checkout on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to turn on checkout and tailor the experience to fit your store's needs. Start by opening your Shopify store's admin dashboard. This is your central hub, and everything we need is right here. Look toward the bottom left corner and click Settings. This takes you to the area where you control how your store behaves behind the scenes. Inside Settings, find and click Checkout. This page is where you enable and customize the checkout experience your customers see. You'll notice several sections that let you fine-tune what information you collect and how the process flows. Begin by reviewing customer contact options. Decide whether you'll let customers check out using their email, their phone number, or both. If your business relies on sending order updates by text, consider allowing phone numbers at checkout and choose whether they're optional or required. Keeping it flexible can reduce friction, but requiring a phone number can be helpful if you need to contact customers quickly. Next, look at how customer accounts are handled. You can allow guest checkout, encourage customers to create an account, or require accounts. Guest checkout usually leads to faster conversions, while accounts can be useful for repeat customers and loyalty programs. Pick what aligns with your sales strategy. Move through the information fields for shipping and billing. If you don't need certain details, mark them as optional to keep checkout fast. If you must confirm delivery accuracy, you can require more details. Accuracy versus speed is the balance to strike here. Review order processing settings as well. This is where you control things like automatically fulfilling orders for digital goods or managing address changes. If you offer tipping or want to display a tipping prompt, you can enable that here too. You may also see controls for marketing consent, such as allowing customers to opt into email or SMS updates. Make sure these settings match your privacy policy and local regulations. If available, check any customization options for the look and feel of the checkout. Keeping your branding consistent, logo, colors, and a clear policy link helps build trust. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, click Save. Your changes are applied to your store immediately. That's it. Your Shopify checkout is enabled and tailored to your needs. If you ever want to refine the experience, just return to Settings, then Checkout, Adjust, and Save again.